Hello, hello, I am back. I know it's been some time since I've done a Dollar Tree haul or any crafts. I'm feeling good. I've had a little weakness the last few weeks, and that's why I haven't done any videos. On Monday, March 5th will be my 6th and final chemo treatment. So spring is here, and that means I can get back to doing some videos, although I won't be completely through my treatment. I'll have surgery and other obstacles that I'll have to overcome. But I am feeling better where I can do a little bit of work and a little bit of videos for all of you. So I wanted to share what I've got for this week's Dollar Tree haul because it's Easter in a few weeks, so let's get started. Of course, they have these really cute bunnies. This is the first year I've seen these. Some of you might like them just like this, but I've seen some of them in the groups where people are adding, you know, to make a little pink in here, to accent the ears. They're adding little eyes, you know, they're filling in the centers, and they're just, you know, doing different embellishments on these cute little rabbit wreaths. So you might want to consider getting a few of these because they are really cute. First time I've seen those. I got lots of stuff because I am going to be making some Easter wreaths, and I was one of the really lucky ones when they came out. A few weeks ago, I grabbed a few rolls because I want to do a couple of wreaths for Easter as gifts because I've had a few people ask me. They have the really cute Easter wreath ribbon as well for your wreaths. These are the little accents that you put, you know, as you're going around, but they also have this mesh in several colors. I'll show you. I got a few different colors, and what I like about this is you can make these really cute little flowers to embellish your wreath as well. They don't have these this year, but they did have them in spring last year, which were these cute little buttons, and that is what I used for the accent buttons. So you might want to check in the beginning of the store when you walk in. They'll have those little kiosks right by the registers, and that's where these were last spring. So you might want to pick some of these up, or they have them in the other containers with a lot more buttons because I've made button bracelets and things too that I haven't really done with you guys yet, but I'll show you guys how to make those. So this is just another cute little embellishment. You can make a bunch of these, and you can do a spring wreath, and you can put these on your wreath, and it's, you don't have to buy anything else other than the mesh tooling that I'll show you guys. The other thing is I buy the pipe cleaners. Now, I'm not a real big fanatic on having the pipe cleaners match my mesh because you really can't see it on the back. If you use white, it's perfectly fine, but they did have these in the color, so I did wind up getting these, and this is my bag of mesh. As you can see, the little different colors that I got. I'm going to make those wreaths. Then I was really lucky, and I was surprised because I went up to the front and I said, is this right? So I wound up buying a couple of these. They were only 50 cents. See the 50 cents on there? And I can use these for my wreaths, or you can also use them, which I do around my house, in my little plants, just to decorate the little Easter eggs, or put them in your front garden because they're on the little wooden stick. Now, if you wind up cutting these down a little bit to use them on your wreath, remember to save the little stick because you can always use it for something else. So look, check your Dollar Tree. I bet you these were from last year, and that's why they're marked down 50 cents. But look, because 50 cents, hey, it's a little bit cheaper for you guys to make your wreath. So I got a few of those. I got these because I'm making two wreaths. One that's going to be more of a holy wreath, and one that's not holy, but, you know, like Christian kind of wreath. And then I'm going to make an Easter bunny kind of wreath. So I got these and I got these because I figured I can use them both as a different embellishment in the wreath. I got these, which I thought were really cute to add in my wreath, because here's the one that I wanted to do. So what I'm going to do is when I make the wreath, I'm going to use this in the center, and then I'll embellish it with, you know, different flowers and things rather than Easter eggs. And then the other one will be Easter eggs and things like that. So I got this. I thought this was really cute. Now, I haven't decided what I'm going to do with the outside of this ring, but you can also, when you take this off, you can use that plastic mesh that I always tell you guys about, and you guys can trace this, and you can put that in the center, and you could make a cute little Easter egg, you know, like you would color an Easter egg, but you can do this with an Easter egg. So you can do this, you know, use it for two different things. Then I got these because I've been looking for these. I've been looking for these. I have a project that I'm going to be doing soon for a spring wreath, and I wanted them to be like this so that I had the length of the flower. So you might want to check out your store, because in the next few weeks when I'm feeling better, I have another spring wreath that I'll be doing with these. And then, you know, a lot of people ask me, these are Wisteria. That's what they're called, Wisteria. So a lot of people ask me what the name of them are. Then I got a package of these, because even though it's St. Patrick's Day, you can use these for Easter. And just like I made the snowman with the little cotton balls, I did those for Easter. So I'll have to show you guys how I made mine, and you can put that on your bathroom sink or on your dresser with a little bunny and bunny ears. So I'll show you guys how I did that. So pick some of these little hats up, because you can use them for more than just St. Patrick's Day. You can use them on other occasions as well. I got this cute little set because I thought this was fun for the kids, but it's also something you can use to embellish your wreaths with, and it's a little pom-pom kit. So you can make those little bunnies, and then you can put them on your wreath when you want to accent it. I got this ribbon also. I don't know. Yeah, they are the same. Okay, so I got 2 rolls of that, and of course I'm going to use those on one of my wreaths. I was lucky and I got yarn. I do knit, I loom knit, so I got this yarn. And then I also got this yarn. So these are normally, depending on where you shop, sometimes they're $3.99, sometimes they're $4.99. I got this color. I was lucky. They didn't have any more when I went back, but I'm going to make a headband and a scarf with these. So if you see any, pick it up, because you might want to learn to do something with yarn. And then I got these because I thought these were really nice for summer to hang those baskets. I have a few ideas with those metal baskets that we'll be doing. And then I got another one of these accents. Now this, some of the Dollar Trees have clearance items for the Valentine's Day, and they have this, and I didn't buy it for the Valentine. What I bought it for was for the sheet of the magnet that you have, because what you can do is you can take that sheet of magnet and you can put your own pictures on here or whatever and hang them on your fridge. So that is why I got this, for the sheet of magnet. So if you see this and they're half off, you might want to pick it up just so you have the magnet if you want to use them on your fridge or your filing cabinet at work or something like that. So I picked this up on the clearance, and some Dollar Trees have that. Then of course I got the mesh that I was talking about. And I got it in several colors. And this is the pink that I opened to make this flower. Okay, so this is made out of this, and it's called mesh tubing. Okay, so right there it's mesh tubing. And if you wanted to, you could put a little stem on here with the green, and you can add a couple of loops for the leaves, and you can do little accents on your wreath. So that's something that I'll be doing too. And then I got this one for one of the wreaths as well. I thought this would be really cute to hang in the center of my wreath, and that one I'll be doing soon and sharing with you guys. And look at how cute these little Easter eggs are to use as an embellishment around your wreath as well. So this is really cute. And then I got 2 more things. I got these, which are little carrots, so I thought these were fun. If you're doing any kind of brunch or luncheon, you can put little carrots by their silverware to decorate or something like that. You can add these to different wreaths. You can do a napkin fold, and you can put glue this on to, say, a piece of ribbon and have it wrapped to the napkin and put it on the plate. How cute would that be? So there's a lot of fun things you can do with these little carrot accents, and you can also just do like a bowl of, you know, decor with the eggs and things, and then add a few carrots in there. And this was the last thing I got, which was the little hopping rabbit. I thought it was kind of cute, something that you could also add inside your wreath, you know, like have it sitting in the center, even though it can't hop on the wreath, but they're cute for $1. So I wanted to share some of the things that I got for Easter. I am going to try to put up my Easter wreaths in the next few days, so look for those. And like I said, I won't be back around unless I'm able to pre-record something for next week, because I do have my treatment on Monday. Kind of kicks me back about 10 days to 2 weeks, where I am kind of of weak and I'm too shaky and I feel unsure of myself. I'm sure some of you guys noticed that I forget what I'm saying it. But I want to say thank you. I've received all your messages. I received even on my business page where people have been trying to reach out to me because they haven't seen me on YouTube. But I just wanted to say thank you so much. I'm so happy to be almost done with this phase of my treatment, and I will be back soon. We have a lot of fun things, and I did mention in one of my live videos on Facebook, and if you wanted to follow me there, the link is below on YouTube, and of course, if you're on Facebook, the link for YouTube is above for you to subscribe. This way you have all the videos in one place. But I was saying how much fun I had doing my videos outside with the fresh air and the blue sky, and I know sometimes you guys can't hear because the birds are chirping, but I am learning to appreciate the small things, and fresh air and birds are just wonderful. So I hope to see all of you really soon. Be happy. If you live in an area where spring is just starting and the flowers are blooming, take time to smell those flowers. Embrace what God gives us every single day to enjoy. So until I see all of you again, have a wonderful day. Have a nice weekend. It is Friday today, and I will see all of you really soon. Bye now.